Today we're going to go over the Harbor Freight Dollar Days coupons that's going on from February 26th to March 11th, and that's coming up next here on Just CB Gear. Welcome back, everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it's that time again. We got some new Dollar Day deals to look over, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing we got here is a Chicago Electric Power Tools Heat Shrink Tubing Assortment Kit. 9-piece. This is $1, 59% off. Very great deal on this. You could always use heat shrink. Anytime you're doing wiring, this is very handy. Then next up here, we got the Pittsburgh Magnetic Bulldog Clip Set. 3-piece for $1, 49% off. This is very nice at 49% off. Can't beat that one, almost half off. What you can do with these, you can stick them on anything and just clip paperwork to them. Comes in real handy for that, mostly in the shop where you need to have notes and everything. This would be a great deal on that. And then we got some consumables here. Like I said, always get your consumables when they are on sale. We got the Bauer 4.5-inch 24 grit Type 27 metal grinding wheel, $1, 49% off. They got some great deals going on right now. Gotta love the Dollar Days. Let's move on. Starting off this row, we got the clog resistant job site permanent markers 2-pack, $1, 49% off. Good deal on those. Then we got the Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial plug, your choice. $2, 19% off. You can get the male or female on that. That is a great deal. Then for you bodywork guys, here's some good deals right here. We got the Pittsburgh Plastic Spreader Set 3-piece for $2, 33% off. Not a bad deal on that one. Now starting off this row, we got the HFT .20 fluid ounce semi-permanent thread locker. This is the blue for $2, 33% off. I personally use the blue thread locker for a lot of things, mostly with my pew-pews with sighting systems on that. I use a lot of these. Comes in very handy. Then we got the Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths, 12-inch by 12-inch 4-pack for $2, 49% off. They had these for a freebie a couple months ago, and I picked these up, and I'm actually switching over to these now because I absolutely love them. I used to buy a big pack at Walmart. They are a lot more expensive than these, and these ones work just as good, so I have now switched over to these. Then we got the retractable razor blade scraper for $2, 33% off. Good deal on that. Now we got some Pittsburgh lifetime replacement high visibility socket set adapter. This is going to be the 4-piece for $3, was $5, 39% off. That is a great deal on these, and of course with a lifetime warranty, who cares if you break them? This would be great for somebody starting out, or if you don't just want an extra set in case you break one, you can have 2 or 3 sets there until you go back to the store and swap them out for $3. Not a bad deal. Then we got another Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 6-inch quick release clamp bar, $3. Only 14% off though. I'd like to see a better deal. Our threshold is 15%. And the same way with this Hallmaster 3-inch PCV swivel caster for $3. It's only 14% off too. Would like to see a better deal on that one also. Now in this row, we got a 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant 9mm tarp. $4, 33% off. That's a great deal. And then we got something that everybody should have. Actually, I got a couple of these and I could probably use more. 6-inch magnetic parts holder from US General here. $4, 19% off. And you got them in all these colors right here. That's what makes it real nice about these. You can match it to your toolbox if you want to, or get creative like I do. I got a blue toolbox with the black accents, so everything I usually get to put on it, I get in black. So that is really nice on that. Then we got the 1/2-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor here from Hallmaster for $4, 19% off. Pretty good deal on that. Starting off this row, we got more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 8-inch steel adjustable wrench. This one's going to be $4, 42% off. That is a great deal on that one. Can't go wrong with a lifetime replacement on hand tools. Then we got the Western Safety goggles 3-pack for $4, 19% off. Then we got another Pittsburgh 24-inch general purpose tire iron for $5. That's not a bad deal at all. 33% off. That's a really good deal. I actually might have to go pick this up. I think I end up breaking one of mine and I need to replace it. Now we got some more Pittsburgh. We got the nylon pry bar installer kit 4-piece set. This one's going to be $5, $41. Not a bad deal at all on that. Then we got the extended dual foot air chuck inflator from Berlin. This is going to be $6, and it's going to be saving you 24 cents. Real good deal on that. Mostly if you got an air compressor and you need to air up tires or anything like that. Then we got a Bunker Hill Security 50 cal ammo box, $7, 22% off, and this one is going to be the plastic one. And then finishing off the last row here, we got a 13-inch solar LED matte black finish pathway light 4-pack for $8, 19% off. And then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 3/4-inch pipe clamp with base, $8, 33% off. And then we got some more Grants products here. We got a 5-inch universal pad, your choice, $8, 19% off. Not bad at all on there. And we got the compound polishing and finishing foam, or we got the heavy coat microfiber 2-pack. Great deal on those. Now let's go over my picks. For this sale. And on my picks, we're going to go to this one right here. And what we're going to look at is going to be the extended dual foot air chuck inflator. That's a good price at 24% off. The ammo can is too if you need the ammo cans. I prefer metal ones, but that's just me. Then the nylon pry bar set from Pittsburgh. This one I also recommend. Then in this row, we're going to look at the Pittsburgh 8-inch adjustable steel wrench. I would pick that one. If you're into goggles, that ain't a bad price on those. And then you got a great deal here on the tire iron too for 33% off. So that would be a good pick right there. Then we'll move up to this row, and in this row I would definitely pick the magnetic parts holder. Like I said, I have multiple of these. Then we are going to look at this next row here on this one. Like if you got 2 pieces of wood that you want to screw together or glue together, that's where these would come in handy. But like I said, 14% off kind of sucks on that, but it still ain't too bad of a deal for $3. And then we're going to move over to the socket adapter set. These always come in handy for $3. You cannot beat that at all. Then in this next row, I would pick up the thread locker and the microfiber towels. Like I said, these are my new favorite, and I'm now going to exclusively use these. And every time there's a deal like this on them, I'm going to pick some up. And then this row, I don't see anything real good. And then, of course, consumables for this row, I would go with the heat shrink. And I would definitely go with the grinding wheel if you need a grinding wheel. And there you go. There are the dollar days that are going on right now from February 26th to March 11th. Also, don't forget, during this time, the parking lot sale will be starting March 2nd, and it will be going on until I think it's the 8th on that one. And there is some other very good sales going on right now. So now is the time to go to Harbor Freight and pick some stuff up. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I'll have my link tree that has some affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.